What to do if your health insurance claim gets denied. Review denial letter. When your health insurance claim is denied, the first step is to carefully review the denial letter. This is essential because it provides you with specific information about why your claim was denied. By understanding the exact reasons, you can address the issues that led to the denial effectively. Understand policy. Understanding your health insurance policy is crucial because it dictates what is covered and what is not. Knowing the policy's terms, conditions, and limitations helps you determine whether your claim is valid and can assist you in making a stronger case during the appeals process. Contact insurer. Reaching out to your insurance provider is necessary to gain clarity on the denial reasons and to gather any additional information or documents needed to support your claim. It also demonstrates your commitment to resolving the issue. Document everything. Keeping detailed records of all interactions with your insurance company is vital for several reasons. It provides a clear timeline of your efforts to resolve the issue, can serve as evidence during the appeals process, and helps you remember important details and names of representatives you spoke with. Write an appeal letter. Compose a well-structured appeal letter that includes the following: your identification information, name, policy number, contact details. A summary of the medical treatment or services you received. The denial reason provided by the insurance company. A clear explanation of why you believe the denial is incorrect. Any supporting documents or medical records that strengthen your case. A polite and professional tone. Consult with healthcare providers. Your healthcare providers can be valuable allies in the appeals process. They can provide additional documentation, letters of medical necessity, or expert opinions that support your claim. Seek assistance. If you find the appeals process overwhelming or need guidance, consider seeking help from a patient advocate or a legal professional who specializes in healthcare issues. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, stay engaged with your insurance provider. Keep track of the progress and follow up on the status of your claim. Stay persistent. Insurance claim denials can be frustrating, but persistence can pay off. If your initial appeal is denied, you may have the option to request a second-level appeal or external review, depending on your policy and state regulations. Remember that navigating a denied health insurance claim can be complex, but it's essential to advocate for your rights and seek a fair resolution. Understanding your policy, keeping meticulous records, and following the appeal process diligently can significantly improve your chances of having your claim approved.